Okay, we're gonna have a wedding today. Now, here.
We need one more.
I'm gonna kill the battery.
Okay.
I'm gonna delete it after.
We're gonna give you a wedding.
Back the camera away from your face now. You just sees your mouth.
Now, here is something very adorable, but vicious.
Here, and then see your face. Just let it record. You can't see yourself. What are you doing?
Okay, now I will give the thing to the recorder.
Camera? To Zora?
No, recorder. Yeah. Do you take this woman as your wife? That's it? Oh, yeah, I do, yeah. Do you take this man as your husband? I don't know, his head is kind of large, and I don't want my kids to have such a big head. But I do. You may kiss the bride. Take that thing off your head. No, I'm supposed to do that. Put that back on. No, you're doing it. Okay. Why is it sticking up like that? Ooh. Why is it sticking up like that? Now I will carry you, my sweet. Oh, god dang it. You got fat over the years. You guys are so weak. Give me that. Yeah. No. This is a man's job. No, he's supposed to carry her. No. He's supposed to carry her. Come here. You weakling.